Dear students, in today's lecture, we'll start the series combination circuits of resistor and inductor. So, in previous lecture, we have studied the basic components, single, resistor, capacitor, inductor. Here, we are voltage across resistor is VR, voltage across inductor is VS. VL
सर आवाज नाही येते.
disconnect होतो.
तर आवाज खूप कट होतो तुमचा, काहीच समजत नाहीये.
आता येतोय?
हो सर येतोय.
आता येतोय का?
येस सर.
So this is the circuit diagram for series RL circuit. Whatever current is flowing through the circuit, the same current is going through inductor and the same current is going through the resistor. Okay. So we'll write down the mathematical expression for this. Total V will be addition of VL and VR because inductor and resistor are in series. Hence, V will be VL plus VR. Okay. So the formula will become I XL plus I R. Correct. And the phasor diagram for the resistor is in phase. In previous lecture we have studied it. Phasor diagram for resistor only is like this, and for inductor current lags by 90 degrees. We have seen this in previous lecture, correct? But as current is flowing through inductor as well as resistor, so this phasor diagram will be the combination of this phasor diagram will be the combination of this phasor diagram number 1 and this phasor diagram number 2, because here in inductor current lags by 90 degree and in resistor current is in phase, so the resultant current will be lagging by some angle, say suppose phi, with respect to the voltage. Getting? म्हणजेच इथे रेजिस्टर असल्यामुळे हा पूर्णपणे 90 डिग्रीने लॅग होणार नाही आणि इथे इंडक्टर असल्यामुळे तो इन फेज पण असणार नाही. सो द करंट विल लॅग व्होल्टेज बाय सम अँगल. Current lag voltage by some angle. Okay, so that angle is denoted by phi. So you can say if V is equal to Vm sin omega t, then obviously I will be given by Im sin omega t minus phi. 90 नाही. जर इंडक्टरच्या प्युअरली इंडक्टिव्ह सर्किट जर आठवत असेल तिथे -90 होतं, बरोबर. पण इथे अँगल फाय आहे, म्हणजे एक तर 0 पण नाही आणि 90 पण नाही. सो वी विल राईट इट हिअर फाय. इफ द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ एल इज लार्ज देन दिस फाय विल बी लार्ज. इफ व्हॅल्यू ऑफ आर इज लार्ज देन फाय विल बी स्मॉल. This is the major difference in case of RL circuit. Okay, and most importantly, the formula for Z will be equal to R plus J XL. XL. Why X is XL? Because here presence of inductance is there. Okay, so formula will be like this. And in terms of polar representation, it will be denoted by like this. Okay, where magnitude of Z will be and phi will be tan inverse of XL upon R. So in this way you can write down the inductance as well. In this way you can write down the inductance as well. Okay, and if this is the waveform for the voltage, if this is the waveform for the voltage, this is the maximum value Vm, then current will be, if this is the point 90 degree angle, then this is your Im. बघा, तो 90 डिग्रीने पण लॅग करत नाही आणि 0 ने पण लॅग करत नाही. इट इज लॅगिंग बिटवीन 0 to 90 डिग्री. 0 to 90 डिग्रीज का? कारण की इंडक्टर मुळे करंट 90 डिग्री लॅग होतो आणि रेजिस्टर मुळे करंट इन फेज असतो. त्यामुळे रिझल्टंट लॅग जो आहे तो 0 to 90 डिग्री एवढा राहील. 0 to 90 डिग्री. So current is lagging, or you can say voltage is leading. And finally, the expression for power will be equal to P average. P average will be equal to this phi stands for this. Okay, so Vi cos phi, V into I is this current and V will be this VL plus VI. So V into I cos phi. Why cos phi? Because it is lagging. Current is lagging. Is it clear? Resistive circuit, purely capacitive circuit. But here the resistor and inductor both are connected in series. Then XL will be VL, voltage VL will be given by I into XL. Okay, then the VR will be given by I into R. इंडक्टर मध्ये करंट 90 डिग्री लॅग असतो. रेजिस्टर मध्ये करंट इन फेज असतो. रिझल्टंट फेजर डायग्राम will be the combination of first and second phasor diagram. So current will lag by somewhat 0 to 90 degree. So 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree. So this phasor diagram will be resultant of both. हे बघा हा I असा खाली आणि एक असेल तर त्याचा रिझल्टंट असा तिरकस असेल, somewhat slanting between 0 to 90 degree. If this is the expression of voltage waveform expression, then this is the expression of current. बघा तो 90 degree पण नाहीये आणि 0 degree पण नाहीये. It is somewhat in between 0 to 90 degree. The voltage will be given by VL plus XL plus I into XL upon R. If mathematics expression V is equal to Vm sin omega t, then I will be equal to Im sin omega t minus minus आला कारण की lagging आहे, current is lagging. Then Z will be given by R plus JXL, or in polar form it will be given by Z equal to magnitude of Z and number of pi. The magnitude of Z is given by and phi will be given by tan inverse of XL upon R. And average power through the circuit will be given by V into I cos phi. Next circuit is series RC circuit. Next circuit is series RC circuit. We'll draw the circuit. Capacitor, XC, VR will be equal to I into R. So obviously in capacitor current leads by 90 degrees. This is the in case of resistor. Current is in phase with. You can see the resultant phasor diagram will be like this, where so V will be VC plus VR. So VC plus VR, where VC will be given by so VC plus VR, VC will be I into XC plus I into R. Okay, so V will be this V is equal to IXC plus I into R. So we have drawn the phasor diagram, resultant phasor diagram. The formula for V will be VC plus VR. VC is I into XC, I is Z into IR. Then if this is waveform, V, this is Vm, maximum value, then obviously this will be the expression for current. So you can see current is not leading by 90, it is not leading by 0 degree, it is leading between 0 to 90 degree. Current is leading between 0 to 90 degree. So you can say if V is given by Vm sin omega t, then I will be given by Im sin omega t plus phi, plus here because current is leading. जो leading असतो त्याला plus sign असते. Okay. Then obviously Z will be given by R minus jXC. इथे current lead करतोय म्हणून XC will be minus. XC will be minus. So you can say Z will be given by magnitude of Z at an angle of phi, where magnitude of Z will be equal to under root of R square plus XC square and phi will be equal to tan inverse of minus XC. See again here XC minus and average power here will be again average power will be equal to VI cos phi. So see, we have find out all the possible terms related to the series RL circuit, series RC circuit. Here capacitor and inductor both are connected in series. Okay, so this is the phasor for only capacitor, this is phasor for only resistor, and this combination of both is drawn over here. This is the resultant phasor diagram where I is leading the voltage. So expression will be this, waveform will be this, then Z will be given by R minus jXC, then Z will be magnitude of Z angle phi, Z will be equal to under root R square plus XC square, phi is equal to tan inverse of minus 60 upon R, and average power will be given by this.
नॉन सर्किट मध्ये आहे ऍडमिशन आणि त्यांचं असेल तर ते नाव मागे नोंदवले असेल कोणी तर
मी नाव विचारून 3 वाजेपर्यंत सांगतो. याच्यात काही डाऊट असेल मला लवकर विचारायचं. डाऊट क्लिअर आले सर्व याच्या रिलेटेड सिरीज आरसी सर्किट? मुलांना काही डाऊट आहे का? आवाज येतोय पोरांनो? डाऊट आहे का? पटकन विचारा पुढे सरकायला.
हॅलो सर. एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
डाऊट नाहीये? हा बोल.
सर बी ला कोणती
बोल ना.
टेक्स्टबुकची कोणती पब्लिकेशनची टेक्स्टबुक ऑप्ट करायची म्हणजे परचेस करायची असेल तर?
मग तुझा आवाज ब्रेक होतोय, मला चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये मेसेज करून सांग. आवाज ब्रेक होतोय chat box. तोपर्यंत आपण कंटिन्यू करूया. नाव सिरीज RLC सर्किट. Series RLC. The circuit diagram. Inductor, resistor, capacitor. This is inductor, resistor, capacitor. See, this is little bit tricky, but if you understand clearly, then it will look easy. Voltage across resistor is here, across capacitor VC, current I. This we have seen already here in first diagram. VL will be I into XL. So VL will be I into XL. VR will be equal to I into R, and VC is I into XC. Okay. Now we'll draw the phasor diagram. So if this is the voltage VL, then current lags through the inductor by 90. If this is voltage VR, then current is in phase through the resistor. And if this is VC, see here also in this previous diagram, the current leads voltage by 90 degrees. So here three cases will be there. In case number one, if in case number one, XL is greater than XC. In case number one, जर ह्या large असेल तर काय? If this is the case, then this is V, this will be VL, and then this is VC. So you can see this VL is larger than VC. So you can say, in this case, this will be your phasor diagram. मीन्स करंट विल लॅग बाय व्होल्टेज. बघा जसं इथे व्होल्टेजला करंट 90 डिग्रीने लॅग करतो, रेजिस्टर मध्ये इन फेज आहे आणि कॅपॅसिटर मध्ये व्होल्टेजला करंट 90 ने लीड करतो. मग जर हे तीनही कंपोनंट एका सर्किट मध्ये असेल तर ज्याची ताकद जास्त अशा पद्धतीने ते काम करेल. फॉर एक्झाम्पल जर इथे हा एल ची व्हॅल्यू सी पेक्षा जास्त असेल तर ऑब्व्हियसली करंट लॅग होईल, कारण की इंडक्टरची पॉवर जास्त झाली असं आपण थोडक्यात म्हणू शकतो. सो करंट विल लॅग हिअर. सो दिस सर्किट विल बिहेव समवॉट लाईक दिस आर एल सर्किट. करेक्ट, आर एल सर्किट ज्याच्यामध्ये करंट हा लॅग करतोय बघा इथे. बरोबर. सो सेम थिंग विल हॅपन हिअर. इफ case number 2, XL is smaller than XC, then this will be handled like this. Real voltage will be less, DC voltage will be larger. So you can say the resultant will be like this. RC सर्किट सारखं रिझल्टंट तुमचं काम करेल. बघा फक्त ह्या न्यूमरिकलच्या किंवा ह्याच केसमध्ये फक्त तुम्हाला 3 केसेस आहे. बरोबर का आले, कारण की तिन्ही कंपोनंट एकत्र आहे. आता जर ह्या केसमध्ये सेकंड केसमध्ये जर सी ची पॉवर जास्त असेल ऑब्व्हियसली सर्किट कशा पद्धतीने बिहेव करेल, करंट विल लीड. करंट काय करेल, लीड करेल. बरोबर. दिस इज द and third case will be then we will see the third case. If XL is equal to XC, this is the third case. This is real, this is VC. If you see here properly, you will find that voltage inductor voltage are same. So you can say the cancellation of both voltage which are opposite in direction will take place.
व्हॉइस नाही येते सर.